Wondering which websites allow you to sell stock photos? If you know where to sell your images online, you can quickly start a new profession as a photographer and earn some additional money. More than ever, there's a huge need for the work of photographers of all ability levels. Everyone regularly buys and uses photos online, including big firms, small and medium-sized enterprises, bloggers, graphic designers, marketers, and publishers. Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will share the top 5 best websites to sell photos online and make money doing what you love. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. Number 5. iStock Photo. 15% of each download's price goes towards the royalty rate for photographs you sell via iStock Photo. You can earn up to 45% in place of that if you upload lots of images and establish yourself as an exclusive contributor. This website has a great family atmosphere because of the welcoming forum where members are eager to assist one another with resources like trends and statistics. Number 4. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a top stock photography website for selling photographs online, and it's regarded by some as the simplest way to sell photos online. Millions of users can view your images on the network, which has paid out over $1 billion to its community in the last 15 years. Shutterstock is regarded as a micro-stock website where photographs are less expensive and non-exclusive. The primary technique to boost downloads is submitting many images that may be utilized as visual metaphors. Although you shouldn't anticipate making as much money here, it's a fantastic place to start if you're new to selling stock images. Payouts range from 20 to 30% based on your cumulative profits. Additionally, there's an affiliate scheme where you can gain extra cash by referring clients or photographers. Number 3. SmugMug Pro. SmugMug can help you sell your images online with a gorgeous portfolio, sales platform, and tools to help you develop whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Between the price you decide on and SmugMug's preset print prices, you get to keep 85% of the profit. Let's say you charge $10.79 for a 5x7 print. The markup for that print is $10 if SmugMug's set price is 79 cents. You keep $8.50 in this scenario as a profit. The portfolio plan, however, requires you to sign up for a monthly membership that runs you at least $200 per year, even though you get access to many e-commerce tools to help you sell photographs online. Number 2. 500px. Through its stock photography website, 500px Licensing, formerly 500px Prime, supports millions of photographers who sell images online. Over 1 million clients are served by its distribution partners, who are the top source for original content. All content uploaded to the website is royalty-free, meaning its use is granted continuously and is charged according to the file size. A community-based site for amateur and expert photographers is 500px. You can follow other photographers, sell your images on their website, and participate in photo quest contests to win rewards. For non-exclusive photos, you'll receive a 30% commission payment and up to 60% royalties. Starting is easy. Register, upload your images, approve your store, and complete each image's model and liability release forms before you can begin selling. Number 1. Alamy. With more than 215 million stock photos, vectors, videos, and 360-degree panoramic pictures, Alamy has the most extensive collection of stock photos worldwide. Everything from everyday images to specialty products can be sold. Over 110,000 customers and over 60,000 contributors from around the world use the platform. Additionally, it provides the Stockimo app, where you can sell iPhone pictures and make additional money with your selfies. Alamy features a simple, user-friendly payment mechanism that pays contributors once each month. 50% of direct sales are yours if Alamy exclusively uses your photographs. 40% of all direct sales go to images that are not Alamy exclusives. Alamy does not offer long-term contracts either. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.